Today's tutorial is going to be on this beautiful Farmhouse Granny Square, and I am so excited to teach you how to crochet this. It is very delicate looking and it's very easy to crochet. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. And on this channel is where I teach all things Granny Square. So at the end of this video, if you have found it to be helpful, will you please subscribe to my channel? Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So again, this is called the Farmhouse Granny Square, and I'm just using an odd ball of yarn. I believe this was the color Sage. And for today's tutorial, I am using a 4.5 millimeter hook. And you can either start with a slip knot and chain 4, or you can make a magic circle. For today's tutorial, I am going to make a magic circle or magic ring, whatever you want to call it. Same thing. Okay, and then I'm going to pull that closed just a little bit, and I'm going to chain 2 and double crochet inside the magic ring. Now I am going to chain 2. This chain and this first double crochet is considered our first cluster, two double crochet cluster, and we're going to do that 8 times by crocheting 2 double crochets together. All right, so to do that, let me show you. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. Now we're not going to complete that double crochet. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, not finishing that double crochet. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. Chain 2. We're going to do that again. And chain 2. And we're going to repeat that so that we have 8 clusters in the magic ring. So double crochet 2 together and chain 2. Double crochet 2 together and chain 2. Again, and chain 2. Now let me go ahead and count and see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 more. And chain 2. Now we are going to slip stitch right into this space right here above this first double crochet. And slip stitch. Okay. Tighten that ring. Now we are going to slip stitch into the next space. And then we are going to chain 3 as our first double crochet. Then we are going to double crochet 2 together. And this creates a cluster of 3. So now what we're going to do is chain 2, and then we're going to double crochet 3 together in this same space. So we're doing the same thing, only with an additional double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Then yarn over and insert your hook in that corner space and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and then do that one more time. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through all 4 loops and chain 2. Now in this next space, we are just going to do 3 regular double crochets, so completed double crochets. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook into that space, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you're going to do that twice more. And then you're going to chain 2, and now we are going to repeat of 2 3 double crochet clusters in this next space to create our next corner. So here's our first 3 double crochet cluster, and chain 2, and then do that again in the same space. And chain 2. Now 3 completed double crochets in this next space. Chain 2. And then now we're going to create another corner with clusters. Chain 2. Another cluster in the same space. Chain 2. 3 double crochet in the next space. Chain 2. 2 clusters. So here's 1 cluster, and chain 2, and do another cluster in that same space to create our last corner. Chain 2. We have 1 space left, and we are going to double crochet 3 in that space. Chain 2. And then attach to this top stitch with a slip stitch. Now we are going for round 3, we're going to go into the next space and slip stitch, and we're going to chain 3. We are going to do the same thing and do 2 3 double crochet clusters with a chain 2 in between them to create continue our corners. This first one is just going to be 2 double crochets because we have a chain 3 that counted as the first double crochet, and then chain 2, and then a 3 double crochet cluster. And chain 2. Now in this space we're only going to crochet 2 double crochets. So there's 1 and 2, and then we are going to double crochet in each one of these 3 stitches. So there's 1, and there's 2, and 3, and now in this next space 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then our corner with 1 3 double crochet cluster, chain 2, and another 3 double crochet cluster in that same space, and chain 2, 2 double crochets in the next space, and then 1 double crochet in each stitch of the 3 double crochets from the previous row, and then 2 double crochets in the next space, chain 2, and we're back at our next corner with 3 double crochet cluster, chain 2, and another 3 double crochet cluster, and chain 2, and we're just going to repeat that for the next 2 sides. We are going to double crochet 2 in this space, double crochet in each stitch of these 3 double crochets, 2 double crochets in this space, chain 2, do your 2 clusters with your chain 2 in between, and just repeat. And when you have finished the round, you can come back and we'll continue. Alright, so we've just finished doing 2 double crochets in this last space, chain 2, join to the top of the chain of the first double crochet, slip stitch into the corner space, and chain 3, and then again the same thing, 2 double crochet together, which creates 3 because of the chain, chain 2, 3 double crochet cluster in the same corner space, chain 2, in this space, chain 2, now we are going to double crochet in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then 2 double crochet in the next space, chain 2, repeat another 3 double crochet cluster, chain 2, 3 double crochet cluster in this corner, chain 2, 2 double crochet in this next space, and then double crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. I need to pull out a little bit more yarn. So that's 1, and that's 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, I think I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I miscounted, so there is 7. 2 double crochet in the next space, and then the same thing in the corner for the 3 double crochet cluster, chain 2, 3 double crochet cluster, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the next space, and we are just going to repeat that for these 2 remaining sides, and then I'll meet you there. Okay, so we just finished our 2 double crochet in that last space, chain 2, and slip stitch to this top space. Now let's just pull our corners out a little bit. And you would just continue that around and around for as big as you would like your Farmhouse Granny Square to be. I love this granny square. Comment below. Let me know what you think of this beautiful square and if you've ever crocheted it before. And until next time, bye!